Okay, here we go. Who's ready for a water fight? Go! Get him, gang! Get him! Fire! Shoot Grandpa! Shoot Grandpa! Oh, Grandpa's dogging y'all out. Oh, that's good. Yeah, you need a smaller one, baby. Fire! Fire! Come on, people! Yeah, oh! You got nailed! Oh, not me! Get them, son. Fire. Yeah, there you go. Squirt the women. Squirt the women. Get the women. Oh my gosh. Get them. Get them. Not me, boy. Squirt them. This ain't Grandpa's first rodeo, I can tell. Oh, that's me. Squirt them. Get him. Squirt him. Oh. Get him. Oh. You just got nailed. Oh, not me. Good shot. Good shot. Good shot. Shoot them, guys. Oh. Fire! Fire! Well, you did have a dry spot. Oh, come on. Hey, that lady in the green back there is still dry. That's a shame. Get him! Oh! Get him! Oh, they're nailing you, brother. They're just nailing you. I'm just saying. Fire! Fire! Come on, Pink Floyd. Put it on them, baby. Come on, Pink. Oh, you got nailed by the little girl down there. Come on, get them! Get them! Make them pay! Make them pay! Oh, man! Why me? You guys don't shoot me. Probably a good thing.
Don't beat me up. I'm fighting here. There's a hole in this one.
Get a different one. You. Fire! Oh, not me. Not me. Thank you. Oh! 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 No, sir. That was cold. Shoot somebody else with that. Oh, man. Y'all aren't wet, are you? Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Get them. kid's attitude. Shoot the ladies. Shoot the women.
Where's the kid?
And that woman's still got dry spots.
Which woman?
Turn around. Turn around. Let them shoot the back of you.